Yo, so I had to get a new phone because I dropped mine in the water. Figured I'd go on this website, gazelle.com, see what they're all about. Uh, for any of you thinking about trying to do a new phone and get off Gazelle, this video is for you. Let's see what we got here. Comes in this kind of a box, nondescript. When you open the box, it's like a thank you letter. Very nice. Good foam padding. And you got the phone inside of a baggie here. Has kind of a cool screen guard on it here. It's kind of sticky. When I went for this, I got the fair condition on Gazelle.com. I think that's described as having like minor scratches, minor abrasions, but all functionality should be working fine. Right now I'm not seeing any kind of real wear and tear. Actually, it looks really good. Let me know what you think. Just some minor scuffing maybe around like where you plug your headphones in, but no one really cares about that. Wow. Wonder what excellent looks like then, dang. Really nice. Nothing on the back either. Sorry, my smudgy handprints. Also in here comes with charger. Gave me this different one. It's not an Apple one, but it has like the two USB. Pretty cool. And then just your standard lightning cable. USB. Nice. It powers on. True test. There it goes. See how much of a charge it came powered with. It's nice. This is the iPhone 5S. There's the home screen. It looks like it's about 90% powered. Pretty good. Let me just pop out my old SIM card on my 5C. And pop out the tray for here. Pretty simple little tray. Pop that bad boy in. If you can see it, it says no SIM, and now it's reading the SIM card, and got my service. It's cool. All in all, it looks really nice. Powers on quick. Simple process, simple, easy website to use too, so recommend it. Don't spend extra money on excellent or good. Fair looks very nice. See ya.